Hi everyone, this is Sagar. I head the APAC and EMEA sales for Tukitaki. Today I'm going to present to you Tukitaki's solution and how it is changing the world. So I'll share my screen quickly. Yeah, so hope you're able to see my screen. So thanks first of all to for providing us the opportunity to present ourselves. So a quick introduction about Tukitaki. We are a RegTech company who have implemented compliance solutions across Asia, Europe, and North America to improve efficiency and effectiveness. We have three solutions: the anti-money laundering suite, the federated financial crime unit, and the reconciliation unit. So these are powered by our machine learning layer, which is called TDSS. Right. So what are the key differentiators? So we solve the key business problems showing efficiency and effectiveness through a federated machine learning mechanism, which means that we work across the ecosystem to solve this financial crime problem. The second is use automated machine learning and self-learning mechanism to basically have quicker implementation and adapt to the rules. And thirdly, the patent, which is filed on the explainable AI framework, which is important from a regulatory and risk perspective. So these are some of the accolades which we have received. We have a good point to notice that we have presented to OCC as well as MAS, and our results have been independently validated by Deloitte. So this is the market we are getting to. We are trying to flatten the curve, the increasing compliance cost to make our solution help in enabling technology solution that helps to contain and sustain, have a sustainable compliance cost from that perspective. So what are the key problems? The current problems in current systems is that it is rules-based, it is siloed, and it is not able to solve the current customer behavior, which is changing rapidly, right? And it is siloed program, which is not across the bank that can go to, and it has limitation to capture some of these consumer behavior. So on top of that, we have regulatory on top of the banks, and you've seen some of the FinCEN cases, and the consumer behavior is changing with new digital payment mechanisms, the new behaviors, as well as new mule activities and financial crime that is increasing with the current situation. So what is the key the outcome, which is basically a huge number of false positive. They are vulnerable to emerging threats, and hence the sustainable compliance cost goes up significantly. So how do we solve this problem? So currently, by typically banks do by adding more people or adding some custom rules, custom development to basically solve this problem, but that doesn't help in a sustainable way. So how do we do that? So right now we have a solution which is kind of groundbreaking, and it has multiple modules like monitoring, screening, customer risk scoring as packages. And we have all of these underlying framework which powers all of these. So we are the first AI-based analytics system to be implemented successfully in production for alert management for both monitoring and screening. And you can see some of the outcomes and evidence from this, which are between 50 to 70% reduction in false positive across one of our clients, which for across monitoring and screening. And these results are published in a public paper by Deloitte, and the results are validated independently here. So how we solve this problem is basically we bring the effectiveness not just by reducing false positive, but accuracy and effectiveness in which we do. So the likelihood of a suspicious case coming is factored within L3, and most of the false positive are bucketed within L1. So it helps the investigator reduce the false positive and focus more on the high risk problems that are there. So in terms of the key value drivers, just to summarize, is faster time to deployment. We have reduced it by over 70% because we have prepackaged indicators and the automated model management. The second is assured ROI realization, and it is on a continued basis and a sustained basis through our champion challenger self-learning model. And you have quantifiable productivity with a single screen view to resolve the cases. And lastly, the wide range of typology repository to basically have an enhanced risk coverage from that perspective. Lastly, from what do clients get is a sustainable ROI through a smart alerts prioritization, which brings the efficiency reduction of false positive. The second most important is the identification or detection of new cases, which is basically to cover the risk that the banks are facing through new money laundering activities, and it can be implemented on existing systems. So no rip and replace, hence faster ROI that the clients can realize these outcomes much faster, right? So that's it from my side, and thank you for listening through this.